of you that want to hear about this whole thing about gyro stabilizing your boat so it don't rock and roll, so people can be more comfortable, here is a big, this is a 26?
Yep.
26. My boat, I've got like a 6. This is a 26. So this is a Seakeeper gyro. So this is how it works. See that big cylinder in there? There's a big giant 2,000-pound ball that spins around. If you remember as a kid, when you spin a top and you try to move it left to right, it provided some resistance. Well, that's the same kind of factor that goes on here. So this thing spins around real fast, stabilizes the boat. It gets connected to the boat right down in these areas right here. And so this provides your boat from rocking left and right. Okay, you see that zigzag line? Once I hit Seakeeper engage, watch that line, go straight to flat line. So this is the control that you're gonna see. That big Seakeeper, that's what it does. All that zigzag stuff is you sliding side to side, and now turn on the Seakeeper, and it just goes straight to a flat line.